Money in automation. Let's first talk on ways of making money. Number one is making money by working. You can make money by working for someone as an employee, or you can make money by working for yourself, self-employed. Number two, you can make money by selling things. Selling automation products, selling PLCs, relays, contactors, and all. Selling automation softwares, selling automation courses. And the third one, make money by owning things. Own a fully automated leisure center, cinema, or restaurant, or own an automated factory. Number four, make money by lending. If you have an automation lab, you can lend it out to researchers to make their research. Lend it out to tutors to teach their students. Now let's dive into how you can make money from automation. 1. By getting a job. 2. By being a freelancer. And the third one is by having a business of yours. Getting a job. With your skill in automation and PLC programming, you can decide to get yourself a job in the industry or an automation training institute. How much then can you make from an automation job monthly? According to Indeed.com, the average salary of an automation engineer is $88,000 per year in the United States, and you may have a cash bonus of $4,600 per year. According to Payscale.com, the average salary of an automation engineer per year in Nigeria is 3.4 million naira. However, you are in the best position to negotiate your income. Always do your own research, not a financial advice anyway. Know about the company, their requirements, expectations, and benefits. Being a freelancer. As a freelancer, there is no fixed range to which you can earn. You choose your limits. But know this and know peace. It is not going to be easy, but you would have your freedom. You can look for automation gigs on freelancing sites like Upwork, Freelancer, etc. before you start thinking of how possible it is to sit at home and do engineering works. Remember, those Chinese guys do provide remote support to help solve problems, so you could just be helping as a remote solution provider. There is this friend of mine, Joseph, who used to work in Schneider Electric. Throughout the COVID-19 lockdown, he was working from home and he is an automation engineer. Having a business of yours. You can decide to set up a training institute. You can set up a company that provides automation services. You can set up an automated industry that produces some kinds of goods. This can be capital intensive as automation tools are expensive, but you can always start from somewhere. You can also be an online automation service provider like RealPass. You can be an automation YouTuber. You can be an automation blogger like Jake of PLC Academy. It all depends on you. Here is the end of this video. See you in the next one.